नई दिल्ली 23 मार्च 2025। सड़क सुरक्षा के प्रति जागरूकता बढ़ाने के उद्देश्य से जेके टायर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा आयोजित 9वीं कार रैली का आज नई दिल्ली में भव्य शुभारंभ हुआ। इस प्रतिष्ठित आयोजन में सांसद श्री अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर, श्री निशिकांत दुबे समेत 50 से अधिक सांसदों, नौकरशाहों, सशस्त्र बल अधिकारियों और मीडिया प्रतिनिधियों ने भाग लिया। इस अवसर पर केंद्रीय संसदीय कार्य एवं अल्पसंख्यक मामलों के मंत्री श्री किरेन रिजिजू और केंद्रीय नागरिक विमानन मंत्री श्री राम मोहन नायडू किंजारापू मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित रहे।
Awareness today in India, because the number of cars are increasing with each passing day. The number of kilometers of road which is being built are becoming better and better. But despite that, the number of accidents are increasing, which is of great concern. A lot of people are losing their lives because of accidents. I think for that we have to create a lot of awareness, get people on board, and to save a lot of lives. We have seen many parliamentarians passed away, or the former ministers passed away, or the chief minister passed away in the road accidents. So let us create awareness and cut down the road accidents and save many lives.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and also words of encouragement for this cause. We'll hand it back to Shivendra, who's in the commentary box. Of course, our coverage will continue.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would very soon hear it from our Honorable Prime Minister. हमारा बहुत सौभाग्य है कि हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं माननीय श्री अनुराग ठाकुर, ऑनरेबल मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, एक ऊर्जावान और दूरदर्शी नेता जिन्होंने खेल, युवा मामलों और सूचना एवं प्रसारण के क्षेत्र में अभूतपूर्व योगदान दिया है। इनके नेतृत्व, क्षमता और राष्ट्र के प्रति समर्पण युवा पीढ़ी के लिए एक प्रेरणा है। इतना ही नहीं, yesterday he had arranged a very excellent cricket match with the Mumbai Heroes with the mission TB Mukt Bharat. So I invite him to share a few words with us. A very warm welcome to you, Shri Anurag Thakurji. Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest, Shri Kiren Rijuji serves as the Honorable Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Union Minister of Minority Affairs. And our second guest of chief guest, Shri K. Ram Mohan Naidu ji, serves as the Union Minister of Civil Aviation. He is a Member of Parliament representing the Srikakulam constituency in Andhra Pradesh. He is serving as his third term as Member of Parliament in Lok Sabha. He is the youngest cabinet minister in the current government. It is important to note that he has a strong political heritage as he is the son of the Honorable late Shri Kinjarapu Yeran Naidu, who was a prominent leader of Telugu Desam Party, and unfortunately we lost him in one of the road accidents. It's a privilege to have him amongst us, and we welcome him once again. His dynamic leadership is steering India's aviation sector towards unprecedented growth and modernization. His commitment to enhancing air connectivity infrastructure and safety is commendable. We are honored to have you, and with these words, I would invite you to share a few words with us.
Good evening, everyone. My colleague and the Cabinet, Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs and Minority Affairs, Kiren Rijijuji ji, and also the man behind the event and the multifaceted person, the only civil aviation minister who can also fly the plane, Rajiv Pratap Rudi ji, and senior political leaders, Anshuman ji from JK Tyre, and our friends from the Parliament, Anurag Thakur ji, who himself has been an inspiration and has worked towards several causes, and also Nishikant Dubey ji, Tangel Uday ji, senior members of the Parliament, ex-members of the Parliament, and everyone who has come together on this important occasion. My sincere greetings to each and every one of you. I'm very happy to be participating in this event. I know that Rajiv Pratap Rudi ji, under his guidance, has been driving this event for the last 15 years and with the same commitment every year. Sometimes when you do it year and year, again and again, you might lose steam here and there. But I've seen that every year, with a lot of commitment, he ensures that this event gets the proper respect, gets the proper awareness, gets the right kind of people to spread this important message that road safety is something which we have to take very, very seriously. And it is called the Parliamentarians Car Rally, but it is not only important for the parliamentarians. I know they are supposed to be the role models for the country. People look at them with a lot of respect. People want to be like them. People do what the parliamentarians do. But this is a subject which is important for 140 crore people of this country. And I speak from personal experience regarding this because I have also lost my father, who was a very senior member of the parliament, who has spent a lot of time here in Delhi in the parliament itself. K. Eran Naidu ji, he was also a union minister at one point of time. And destiny is something which nobody can avoid. But when you look back at the incidents again, most of the accidents, 99% of the time you feel that you could do something from your side to save yourself from the incident. And that was the same opinion we had when I lost my father. He was traveling at 2 o'clock in the night, and it was his political compulsion that he had to attend this event. But while coming back at 2 o'clock, it's a very difficult time for the drivers also. Most of the time we feel that the car is a mechanical thing, it is ready to be functional 24 hours, but we miss looking at the driver. We miss looking at how much rest he has taken. We miss looking at him as a human aspect of moving around, traveling around. So that was one thing. And the second thing was he was not wearing any seat belts also. Now thinking back, we feel that probably if he had worn the seat belt, his life could have been saved. And this is, and numerous incidents we have seen that most of the accidents happen because they are not following the simple rules. And we have seen it on multiple occasions in the country also. And it is our collective responsibility to bring that discipline back to road safety and road travel. And I am responsible today for civil aviation. And if I can give you one fact, out of 41 million flights, there are 7 fatal accidents happening. So imagine how much importance is given to safety when we are traveling by air. But when it comes to road, we take it very casually. We miss out all the smaller things because we feel that this is something which is an extension of our life, everyday thing, so nothing wrong might happen. And we have seen in a minute, the people who are close to us, the people who have just spoken to right now are far away from you. They have lost their lives. So this is something where the continuous awareness needs to be created, especially for the younger generation. Lakhs of lives have been lost. And I can say that when a victim loses his life, it is not only that one person who is getting affected, but his whole family, that whole community gets affected. So it is very, very important for us to carry this message, and especially a lot of leaders who are there in public life are here. And today we live in a social media, digital generation where everything we do is covered by some camera and is being showcased in the social media also. And small things that we do, I see that whenever we go to our constituency or whenever we are moving around, there are multiple people recording us, getting out of the car, getting into the car, how we are moving in the car, what do we do inside the car. There are multiple people following you and trying to take these videos. So when they are doing that, if you can showcase some kind of moral discipline when you are in the car, especially wearing a seatbelt, when you're getting into the car and you wear the seatbelt and it gets recorded in their videos and they display it, it reaches to lakhs of people. These small things, if you are being aware and you are able to bring that discipline through yourself, I think it brings a lot of change in the public, in the larger society that you want to see also. So it is something we have to commit ourselves first, that we have to take road safety very, very seriously. And one thing Rudi ji has mentioned very clearly is that we travel lot by road itself. Every day we are doing 200, 300 kilometers, and we completely forget the fact that we are staying so much in the car itself traveling. So it is very important to start this awareness, start this moment from the political leaders and the parliamentarians itself. And rightfully so, this event has been targeting that aspect. And I would like to thank JK Tyres and all the partners who have been supporting in this wonderful cause. And it is, today if we see, look at India, thanks to our Honorable Minister Nitin Gadkari ji, the roads have been getting better. And on the other side, as the roads are getting better, the cars are getting better, there are more powerful cars right now, the speeds are also increasing. But it is the only thing that we have to keep in mind is to follow the rules, maintain discipline, and it is not a very difficult task. I've seen that people who might not even know that what the rules are there in the country right now, what to follow, when they travel abroad and when they are driving, within days, they get to know all the discipline that is there in the country and they follow all the rules. So there is that small mindset problem which needs to get tweaked on what we have to do in our country itself. Because in terms of rules, we have excellent rules which are on par with all the developed countries in the world. We have the right enforcement agencies who are continuously, 24 hours they work on the roads to enforce the rules that they are there. But it has to be a public effort. Everyone has to come together in this. And it is that cause that we are keeping this event. I would like to congratulate Rudy ji and his team for doing this effort continuously every year. And I offer my tributes, I pay my tributes to all the leaders who have lost their lives. I come from Telugu Desam Party and I've taken one person's name, Yaran Naidu ji, who was my father. We have lost him 12 years back. And there was N.T. Ramarao Garu's son, who was also a Rajya Sabha member from our party, Hari Krishna Garu, who has also lost his life on the road. And one interesting thing about Hari Krishna Garu, he used to love driving. And he was one of the best drivers, and this was in public knowledge that he was the best driver. And never would anyone imagine that he would lose his life in a car accident. So it is not that some people are very much protected because they have 10 years, 20 years, 30 years of experience. No matter how much experience you have, you still have to follow the rules. You still have to follow the discipline on the road. And that is one example. And also Balyogi ji, who comes from our party, he has also lost his life in an accident, but in an air travel accident. And then Laljan Basha ji, who was also a Rajya Sabha member, very important leader in our party. He also lost his life in road travel. So we had many instances in our party itself where we have gone through this turmoil. And the only thing is to learn from these incidents, making sure that they don't happen in the future, and also ensuring that the larger society, the generation that is going to come up, takes this aspect very, very seriously. India needs a stronger vision regarding road safety, and it has to start today, and it has to start with all of us. So once again, I would like to thank Rudy ji for having made this effort of putting up this wonderful event here together. And my sincere thanks to each and everyone who is participating and contributing to this event. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.